there guys, welcome back to the channel. Just going to do a little video just to do a review of a camera that I've been sent. We're going to have a look at the Mivue 792. Now if you want a little camera that packs a big punch full of really good features, then you definitely want to be looking at this. So the main features of this camera, it has the 180 degree lens down to 1.8 f. It has a Sony sensor in it, so that the night vision that I've seen has been one of the best cameras that I've experienced for nighttime filming. Really good. So good in fact, I'm probably going to start using it in my vlog. Also is Wi-Fi enabled, so connected to your phone you can download anything of the footage from the camera onto your phone. Really good. Upload it straight to Facebook, whatever, send it to your solicitor, whatever takes your boat. Also GPS enabled, so it records all the information you need. It's also got lots of driver aids as well, so it's got lane departure, it's got vehicle collision avoidance, it's got speed camera detection, and loads more. It's got an eco mode on it. Yeah, packed full of features. A load of them. What we'll do is we'll go through it, and yeah, you'll be able to learn a bit more about the camera. So when I'm looking for a camera, the main thing that I look for is that it's reliable. Now I've had this camera set up on my windscreen now for 3 weeks, and not once is it ever not recorded when I've turned the ignition on. Just, it's been 100% reliable 100% of the time. Whenever I need to save any image on there because something's occurred, bang, it saves it. I've been able to transfer it onto my phone. So as far as I'm concerned, it's a camera that does exactly what it says on the box, and I just can't fault it. Really good. So this is the little dash cam itself. As you can see, it's got the 4 little buttons down the side, which is used for navigating the menus. It has the little orange button here, which is used to store footage, so if there's an incident or anything else, then you can use that to store the footage. Just hit that and it will store whatever you've got it set to, 3 minutes, 2 minutes or whatever. And you have the power button over here on the other side. Underside you have the slot for the SD card, and then as you can see the front of the camera, that's the front of the camera. And obviously you've got a little slot here which the window sucker mount will clip into. Oh, I keep hitting the emergency recording. So if we have a little look at the menus, are you going to let me look at the menus? Right. So there we go. This is the menus. There we go. So I'll try and put it so you can see it. There we go. So you have file payback, and these buttons are all the same, so they pretty much always do the same thing. So you've got down, up, select and back, and that's just those buttons there. So you have down, up, select and back. So you have file playback, so you push the select button on there, and you go to video, and then you've got all your videos on there, so you can flick through them. And then you'd also have event. I think I've got one event, which is when you hit the button. Oh, there we go. No, I've got 2 on there now because I've done one just now accidentally. So we go back again. I don't think I've got any in parking or photo. No, there's nothing in there. So that's just so you can play back. And then you've got camera. There we go, so you're just seeing your camera there. Then you've got your Wi-Fi. Nope, hold on. There we go.
No, that's right. I pushed the wrong button. So, camera. Now that's your camera settings. So, Wi-Fi. There we go. So you can switch your Wi-Fi on and off. You've got your SSID number and your password. So I need to switch that off now. So select. Then we go back. And then sound recording. You can toggle your sound recording on and off. You got tire pressure sensors. If you've got tire pressure sensors, you can have them on here. There we go. It's nice and pretty. What else have we got? Driving safety. So you can turn on, like, you've got your headlight reminder, driver fatigue, eco driving. You've got calibration. So that's all your driver safety features in there. Safety camera. So this is where you can set all your safety camera. You've got your alert distance, your alert method, so that you know you can set a 5 mile/h threshold for when it alerts you. But yeah, that's some good settings in there. Park mode, so you can set this as a park mode. You got video recording settings, so you can do your clip length, you can do your video resolution, your white balance, EV frequency, G sensor sensitivity. You can have a stamp on the video or not, speed stamp and text stamp. System details. So there we go. You can change. You can have a look at the satellites, so you can see how much signal it's got on GPS. You can change the date and the time. System sound, welcome sound. You can change the volume. The LCD standby. Change the language. Change the distance from miles an hour to kilometers. How much storage you allocate, and you can restore all the defaults. Very, very easy to navigate, this is. And then you've got the option where you can format the SD card. So there you go, that's the menu screen. It's very easy to use and nice and easy to set up.
Listen now, it's clear to me we went too far.
The only minor faults that I would, if I'm going to be really picky, is the collision avoidance. I think because it's in a truck and it's so high, it will pick up and tell me that I need to back off from the car in front when I'm actually nowhere near it. But I think that's because of the height, where it's, if it was in a car, then you'd probably get the the correct measurements there. The only other thing, if I'm being really picky, is the lead. If it's going to be in a truck, could really do with being a little bit longer. It was a bit tight, threading it all the way around the dashboard and then all the way back to my cigarette lighter, which is in the middle of the dash. So yeah, it's, you know, if you're putting it in a car, you're not going to need that much wire, so you're going to be trying to hide all that excess. So I can understand why it's not a massively long wire, but yeah, if I was going to complain about anything, it's the collision avoidance. Is not great, not very accurate in a lorry, but like I say, I switched it off and everything else works fine. And the cable length, that's it. That's the only things that I could, and then that's just being really picky as well. But that's the only things I can think that I'd improve. So there we go. That is my take on the Mivue 792 dash cam. Like I say, if you're in the market for a dash cam and you're just looking for something that you can stick up there, not have to worry about, and it will record whatever you want it to record, top quality, then definitely have a look at this. Really, really good camera. Anyway, hope you found this little review helpful. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for plenty more videos just like this, and I'll see you guys again in the next one. Cheers!